Hey guys, I'm back today. May I make some wings? So I'm gonna start by pat drying my wings, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my seasonings. So this is a carrot cake seasoning, then some Maggi again, um jerk, some meat seasoning, and some complete seasoning. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead with my grace jerk seasoning. I'm gonna add that and then go ahead and mix it up. Personally, me not like when season get in my fingernail. Me not care about water and soap. Yes, I know that I can wash my hands, but me not like the smell where it leave. Anyways, add in some paprika, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that in. Then next I'm adding some oil, and the reason for that is just so the seasoning sticks to the wings. So I'm coating my pan with some oil, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wings in. And then I already preheated the oven. It's on 400 at the moment, so yeah. Then I'm gonna make some festival. Bear in mind, at the first I make festival and me see a recipe on YouTube, I'm gonna say alright, I'm gonna tweak it. So I'm just adding some flour, some cornmeal, some granulated sugar, and I'm gonna add a tubes of nutmeg and some cinnamon. But here what happened to me now, I forgot to put baking powder. So when I start need it, remember say I never put a baking powder. So I'm gonna shake some baking powder and try work it in as best as possible. So yeah, let's go ahead and mix that in, and then I'm gonna add some unsalted butter, and that's just to help to flavor the festival. What type of flavor if it's not salt though? I don't know. Moving on, I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken. So some Walker's Wood sauce, some barbecue sauce, some rum, that's the secret ingredients, rum, and some pickle pepper mango spicy sauce. So now my wings are halfway done, so I'm gonna take them out and just coat them in the sauce. Ensure you coat them real good area. You see how the oil bubble? If that ever burn you. Back to the festival, so I added some vanilla, and then I'm gonna go ahead and knead it up. Now somewhere about here is where I realized that I didn't add the baking powder, but anyways I went ahead and added it add it as I said. And yeah, these are the festivals frying. Them look good and them did actually taste nice. These are the wings, and yeah.